We have the recipe, the routing, and the flour in stock. Now we actually make bread. A work order is the instruction to produce a set quantity, and it drives the whole run, consuming materials, tracking each stage, and putting finished loaves into stock. But first, the routing must be active. The routing is active. Now we create the work order. We open work orders and add one. We pick our sourdough recipe. ZetaFisc shows what it produces and the materials it needs, and set the quantity to 50 loaves, one full batch. We create the work order. Here is the work order. We plan it, fixing the materials and steps for this run. We check materials. ZetaFisc compares what the batch needs against what we hold in the store. Everything is available, so we release it to the production floor. Now we start production. We click Start, then open the live production board where every stage is tracked. Stage 1, Mixing. We start its timer, record the materials it consumes. The flour, yeast, sugar and fat are pre-filled from the recipe, and complete it, handing over 40 kilograms of mixed dough. Proofing now has the dough. We run it and complete it, and it rises to 40 kilograms of proof dough. Baking takes the proof dough, runs it in the oven, and turns out 50 loaves. Now the two parallel finishing stages, cooling and labeling, which run side by side. One picks up the loaves automatically, the other we receive ourselves. We run and complete both. Every stage is done. We go back to the work order and complete it. Production is complete. 50 artisan sourdough loaves are now in finished goods stock, the flour and other materials have been consumed, and ZetaFisc has costed each loaf from the materials, labor and overhead, posting it all to the ledger. From flour to finished bread, fully tracked and fully costed.